Hey peoples, we're back with the baby challenge.
Part 2.
Part 2. This one is this. So it's pasta pickups, chicken and carrot ravioli. Nope. No, I had the red.
Oh, I thought we were doing opposite colors this time.
Wait, which one did I have?
You had the red.
I am not okay, people. Alright. Here we go. I'm not ready for this. 1, 2, 3. Good.
Okay. Macaroni and cheese.
Actually, we're going to do it in 3 parts.
Yeah.
I don't want this.
Oh. Okay, guys. This is not mac and cheese.
The other one was so much better. That is not supposed to be fucking mac and cheese. Oh.
Oh.
Nothing.
Oh.
It got 0.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh.
Shit!
Puke mac and cheese. That's what that is.
Alright. Now.
This is SpaghettiOs. I'm nervous about this too.
I'm gonna use my spoon. Yeah, I did have, yeah. Let's get the spaghetti, the noodles, the meat. 1, 2. Tastes like Chef Boyardee.
Tastes like tomato sauce.
It's good.
When we cooked it, didn't look so good.
I know.
Okay. And the last one we're doing is pasta pickup.
Where's my fork?
Pasta pickup, turkey and vegetable ravioli.
We already had this before,
Yeah.
so it's already going to be a 5. 5.
5.
And now,
Chicken sauce.
and yet again, they're hard to get out.
5.
5.
That's everything in that one.
That's it for
The meal like stuff. Now we're gonna do the snacks and the squeeze.
we doing different one,
Small.
different video. Yeah.